time.
You need the bib?
Yeah.
Would you like some more? Yeah, that's great. You're doing great. It's a new thing, huh? Pretty new, huh? It's a pretty new experience, huh? Want some more? Good job. Doing great. Doing great. Yeah.
Good job, Athena. You're supposed to put it just on their upper lip then?
Yeah, well, you're supposed to spit on the tip of their tongue, but I don't understand how you do that. It's also hard to tell what I'm doing from a single.
Sure, you want me to feed it?
Sure, you want to try?
Sure. Ready? Here we go. Good job. Try again. That was good.
They also suggest like scooping around and the stuff that gets around her face, putting it back in.
Yeah.
But I didn't do a very good job of that either. I think that takes parent practice.
Yeah. Here we go. Here's some more. There you go. There you go, messy girl.
Good job.
Yummy.
Doing good.
You're doing great.
I think you were ready.
You were ready. Think ready? Yeah. Let's give lots of food for you. That was good. That was
Was
good.
it fun?
Yeah. That was good.
Good tasty?
Yeah. Do some more.
Yeah. As long as she wants it.
Let's keep going. There's plenty in here.
Yeah.
This will sure slow down the feeding.
Yeah, wait. Yeah. I'll see. Unless she's like Finn.
Hey, Ben?
Finn's the big baby. Yoga.
Yeah.
Maybe smaller bites. You're doing spread bites.
I'm not either. Can you pull it down?
Yeah. Is that tasty? So this is organic whole grain rice cereal. And some of Mom's breast milk.
Or Athena's.
It's just for you. It's got iron in it. Iron's an important vitamin for you.
This will be the start of very stinky diapers.
It is.
Good job. That's very good. Try that for a little while.
Good. Good swallow. You need your bib?
You trying that out?
That's good. Checking it out with your little tongue?
I think she likes it.
I think so too.
I think I hear the little swallow.
Yeah. She's getting all swallows in there.
Good job. Oh, right in there. Good job.